Good morning, students. Third lesson we have started and finished the first dialogue and seen the grammar topics. What are the grammar is used in the lesson. Now we are going to take the second dialogue in the third lesson. Dans un grand magasin. Dans un grand magasin, subheading dialogue B. See the picture. A person in a departmental store talking with the salesman. The client and the customer and the client having the conversation, which place in a departmental store. Here, look at here, the person who is talking. La vendeur, le client. La vendeur, salesman, client, customer, client, like that. First dialogue. The salesman is starting the conversation. Bonjour, monsieur. Je peux aider? I am going to read the dialogue, sir, then I'll explain it word by word. Good morning, sir. May I help you? Good morning, sir. May I help you? Aider means to help. Le client. Le mois dernier, ma femme m'avait acheté dans ce magasin une chemise. Mais nous étions partis immédiatement en vacances et nous ne sommes rentrés que hier. Celle-ci est serrée et un peu classique, donc je voudrais la rendre et en acheter une autre. Voici la facture. La venture. Regardez ici. Vous avez une vaste gamme de marques. Quelle telle faites-vous? Client. 38. S'il vous plaît, montrez-moi la chemise bleue. La venture. Pardon. Laquelle mesure? Celle-ci à côté de la grille. Client. Non, celle-là au-dessus de la voie. La venture. Là, c'est une Louis. Vous avez un rabais 30% pour cette marque. Le client. Non, je préfère une chemise Lacoste. La coupe est parfaite. Oui, bien sûr. Let us see the dialogue from the beginning once more. La vendeur, the salesman. Bonjour, monsieur, je peux aider? He is asking the client, good morning, sir. May I help you? Aider means to help. May I help you? The client is replying. La mois dernière, ma femme m'avait acheté dans ce magasin une chemise. Mois means month, M-Y-S, dernier means last. Last month, my wife bought a shirt for me in this shop. M'avait acheté had bought for me a shirt in this shop. Last month, my wife had bought a shirt for me in this store. La mois dernière, ma femme m'avait acheté dans ce magasin une shop une chemise. Mais nous étions partis immédiatement en vacances, but we had left on vacation immediately. Et nous ne sommes rentrés que hier. And we returned only yesterday. Ne que is not a negative sentence, meaning seulement. Ne que both are same, meaning only. Where you have to place is like negative elements before the verb, but the second negative elements should become after the conjugated form. Before the noun, what it restricts, before that noun, you have to put the k restriction. Naku meaning only. But we had left on vacation immediately and we returned yesterday only. Celle-ci est trop serrée. Celle-ci est trop serrée et un peu classique. That one, I told you, celle-ci, that tells about the shirt, that points the shirt, chemise, une chemise. Demonstrative pronouns. That one, that means that shirt. Cell means that shirt. That means CETTE, chemise. That shirt that is replied by this demonstrative pronoun. That one, cell, feminine. Look at here, UN is there, feminine. So you have to use the demonstrative pronoun feminine. Cell C, that one is trop serré et un peu classic. That one is too tight and little classic. Donc, so, je voudrais le rendre et en acheter une autre. Voici la facture. So, I would like to return it. LA means chemise, pronoun. Telling about the shirt, pronoun use the je voudrais le rendre. I would like to return it. And en acheter, en is there. En acheter means another pronoun personal replacing the shirt. En acheter une autre. I want to buy another one. I would like to return it. I want and to buy another one. Voici la facture. Here is the bill. The client gave his told said what you want to said his version. Now the salesman, he is going to give the reply. Regardez ici, look at here. Vous avez une vaste gamme de marques. You have a wide range of brands. Regardez ici, look at here. You have a wide range of brands. Vast means wide. Range of brands. Mark means brand. Quel tel faites-vous? What's your size? Quel tel faites-vous? What's your size? Client. 38. S'il vous plaît, montrez-moi la chemise bleue. 38. Please show me the blue shirt. 38. Please show me. Montre means show. Show me. Montre-moi. Show me la chemise blue shirt. La vendu. Pardon. Sorry. Which one, sir? Laquelle mesure? Pardon. Laquelle mesure? Celle-ci à côté de la grille. Sorry, sir. Which one, sir? Laquelle? Interrogative pronouns. Already you have seen how to use it. Interrogative pronouns. Laquelle means telling about the shirt. They are talking about the chemise, feminine. Which one means laquelle means which one. That means which shirt. Which shirt? Quelle. Which chemise. Feminine. So I have to use quelle. Then the chemise. Adjective interrogative adjective plus the noun it is replaced by the interrogative pronouns. Adjective interrogative plus noun is replaced by the interrogative pronouns. Which shirt? Quelle chemise is replaced by laquelle. Which one, sir? Which shirt is replaced by laquelle. Which one, sir? Feminine, so you have to use this. The one near the gray. The one next to the gray color. Celle-ci à côté de la gris, next to the gray color, à côté. Client, non. Celle-là au-dessus de la verte. No, that one above the green. No, that one above the green. Vert means color green. Gris means gray color. Grise, gray color. Now, the vendor, salesman. Là, c'est une fille. Vous avez un rabais de 30% pour cette marque. There, it's Louis Philippe. You have a 30% reduction. Rabais means reduction. You have a 30% reduction for that brand. Salesman, there, it is Louis Philippe. You have a 30% reduction for that mark. Now, next, client. No, je préfère une chemise Lacoste. La coupe est parfaite. No, I prefer the Lacoste shirt. The cut is perfect. Coupe means cut. C-O-U-P-E-R. Coupe means cut. No, I prefer the Lacoste shirt. The cut is perfect. Now, the last, the salesman. Yes, of course. The dialogue is over. Let us see the translation given here. The same translation given here along with the French dialogues. Dialogue B, French dialogue written and the translation written here. The full second dialogue translation fully. Dans une grande magasin, in a departmental store, salesman Hello, good morning, sir. May I help you? Client. M'avait acheté. The customer, client. My wife had bought. This is plus que parfait. In the auxiliary place, you have to use avoir or ether in imperfect form. Then the path participle. The whatever rules you are following for the participe passé composé, same rules you have to follow for the plus que parfait also. Only thing, everything is same. Only thing, the auxiliary verb there in passé composé you have to use in present tense. At here in plus que parfait you have to use in imperfect form, avoir or ether in imperfect form. Remaining all what are the rules you will follow, same only you have to follow here also. Plus que parfait. My wife had bought a shirt for me. My wife had bought a shirt for me in this shop. Chemise means shirt. La mois dernière, last month, la moda mais nous étions partis immédiatement, but we had left on vacations immediately, and we returned yesterday only. This one, celle-ci est trop serrée. This one is too tight. Et un peu classique, a little classic. Donc, so I would like to return it and buy another one. So I would like to return it. Je voudrais la rendre et en acheter une autre. Voici la facture. Here is the bill. Next dialogue. Regardez ici, vous avez une vaste gamme de marques. Quelle telle faites-vous? Look here, you have a wide range of brands. What's your size? Quelle telle fait means what's your size? Vous avez un vaste, VAST means wide range of brands. Mark means brand. Next dialogue. 38, s'il vous plaît, montrez-moi. 38, please show to me. S'il vous plaît, please show to me. Pardon, laquelle mesure? Celle-ci à côté de la grey. Sorry, which one, sir? The one next to the grey? No. Celle-là au-dessus de la verte. No, that one above the green. No, that one above the green. Là, c'est une Leafy. Vous avez un rabais de 30% pour cette marque. There, it is Louisville. You have a 30% discount for that brand. Rabais means discount. No, je prefer une chemise Lacoste. La coupe est parfait. No, I prefer a Lacoste shirt. The cut is perfect. Last, oui, bien sûr. Yes, of course. With this, we finished the second dialogue translation completely. You have to write these dialogues, dialogue A and dialogue B in the note along with the French dialogues. Write the French dialogues. Below that, write the translation and practice it for the translation part. Next, we will move to the question answer part based on the dialogues. Next part, page number 21, question answer. La question sur le dialogue. Questions based on the dialogues. Pourquoi Sarita a-t-elle quitté la Inde? Question answer part, you have to read and understand. If you read and understand, you will understand the questions. Half of the answer you can take it from the question. For all the questions, only small change you have to do it in the answer. Remaining you can copy and paste the question. If you understand, it will be very easy to get marks in the question answer part. Pourquoi means why. Why Sarita left India? Pourquoi Sarita a-t-elle quitté l'Inde? Why Sarita left India? The answer is in the first dialogue. Who is Sarita? She left to United States for her job. Then she settled in Canada. That answer you have to write. I have written here. Look at here. Why Sarita a-t-elle quitté l'Inde? Why Sarita left India? Elle a quitté l'Inde parce qu'elle s'était installée au Canada après son mariage. She left India because she settled in Canada after her marriage. First question. Second question. Qui est Vijay? Second question. Qui est Vijay? Who is Vijay? Qui means who. Pourquoi means Y. QUI. Qui means who. Vijay. Who is he? Vijay est la mari di Sarita. Vijay is the husband of Sarita. Mary means husband. Vijay is the husband of Sarita. Third question. Où est-ce que les amis se retrouvent? Where do the friends meet? You accent aigu, that means where. Where do the friends meet? Retrouve means they find themselves. Where do the friends meet them? Les amis se retrouvent à une soirée. The friends meet at a party. Where the friends meet, where they talk among them in a evening party. The friends meet at a party. Se retrouvent à une soirée. Fourth question. Pourquoi le client veut-il changer la chemise? Pourquoi means why. Why the client? We uti wool or verb, third person conjugation. Why the client wants to change the shirt? Le client veut changer la chemise parce qu'elle est trop serrée et un peu classique. The client wants to change the shirt because it is too tight and little classic. Because it is too tight and little classic. Fourth question. Fifth question. Est-ce qu'on consent en rabais? Do we agree to a discount? Oui. Il y a un rabais de 30% pour la marque Louis-Philippe. This answer you can write. Otherwise, you can write, oui, on consent au rabais. Yes, we agree to a discount. This is the 5 questions based on the dialogues. If you want to copy, you can copy and make a note and write and practice. Very important part, dialogue translation. You have to practice, read and practice the dialogues. For that, you have to learn the verbs. Then how to translate into tenses, different tenses. Present tense means present tense form. In like that, we have to translate. Past tense means like that. Plus perfect, you have to use the translation had. Most of the words will use the English translation had. I had bought. I had when I had. Sang like I had went like that, you have to use. We have finished the dialogues, then the question answer part. Now we are coming to the grammar part. Page number 22, grammar le plus que parfait. Plus que parfait, I already gave the short note about this. What is plus que parfait? Like past tense, it is also a compound form, compound tense, like past tense, but express an completed action in the past. Completed, like how the past tense, it is also a completed action, finished action, like that. It is the plus perfect also completed action in the past, but it expresses an anteriority to a verb, to past tense or present tense, but it expresses the anterior. That means this happens before. The plus perfect always come before another performer. That means present tense or past composite. Plus perfect, it has a link with the verb that which is finished before past tense or present tense. It is formed. How we have to form? So easy. It is formed with the auxiliary avoir or ether, like past tense, like past tense. Same only you have to do it. It is formed with the auxiliary avoir or ether, but here it is in imperfect form. You have to put the avoir or ether in imperfect form. Imperfect I was learned in the second lesson. Imperfect conjugation. Avoir verb or conjugation and ether verb, you have to use it in this imperfect form. Followed by the past participle of the verb. That is similar how we are done in the first lesson and last year past tense. How to make the past participle? Two ways, regular, irregular. Follow that method, get the past participle. But only thing avoir or ether in imperfect form. See the sentence structure, avoir or ether imperfect in imperfect form plus the past participle of verb. Example, here it is given. Then what is the rule? The plus perfect. For avoir verb and ether verb conjugation, how to make it imperfect form. For all the verbs, how to do the conjugation, the steps is explained in the second lesson, imperfect form. How to do it? For all the verbs, you have to take the present tense new form of that verb, then first present tense new form of the verb in, then cut the ONS, replaced by the endings, imperfect endings. What are the endings? AIS, 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 AIT, IONS, IEZ. AVAIT, IONS, IEZ, AVAINT. These are the endings. Base you have to take it from the new form. Cut, if you cut the ONS, what is remaining? That is the base stem. For that stem, you have to add these endings. HR verb is an exception. No pattern to follow to the conjugation. The base is ET. To that base system, you have to add the endings. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT. Imperfect, avoir or nature in imperfect form. This you have to place any one verb in the pluscuperfect. This is the auxiliary verb. This or this, any one verb you have to use in the auxiliary verb place in the pluscuperfect. In present and past tense, you will use these verbs in present tense. But in pluscuperfect, you have to use these one or any one verb in imperfect form like this. Remaining rules, what you have to follow in the passive composite, same you have to follow here also. Only thing, this verb should be in imperfect form. Now we'll understand the send examples easily. Il, I subject. Next the auxiliary verb place. Avoir verb. For what is the main verb? Ashite verb. For Ashite verb, what is the auxiliary verb? Avoir. Avoir verb third person, what is the conjugation? Just now you saw AVAIT. Then past participle of the Ashite verb. ER, replace ER by E action. That's all. Then continue the sentence. See the examples, also easy. Subject, auxiliary verb in imperfect form, avoir or ether in imperfect form, past participle. Subject, avoir or ether verb in imperfect form, then the past participle. Remaining rules you have to follow. Whatever you follow in the past tense, same rules you have to apply here also. With this, we finish the pluscuperfect in the grammar part. Thank you.